Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of the Philippines. Nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, this archipelago boasts over 7,000 islands, each offering its own unique charm and breathtaking beauty. From pristine beaches to lush mountains, the Philippines is a treasure trove of natural wonders and cultural experiences that every travel enthusiast should discover. Imagine stepping onto the powdery white sands of Boracay, where the turquoise waters invite you to dive in and explore vibrant coral reefs. Or picture yourself wandering through the stunning rice terraces of Banawe, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases the ingenuity of ancient Filipino farmers. Each location tells a story, rich in history and tradition, waiting to be uncovered by curious travelers. But it's not just the landscapes that make the Philippines a must-visit destination. The warmth and hospitality of the Filipino people add a special touch to every journey. Whether you're enjoying a traditional feast of adobo and sinigang or participating in lively local festivals, you'll find that the culture is as vibrant as the scenery. Exploring the Philippines is not just about ticking off destinations from your travel list, it's about immersing yourself in a diverse tapestry of experiences. From the bustling streets of Manila to the serene beauty of Palawan's underground river, each moment spent here is an opportunity to create lasting memories. For travel enthusiasts, the Philippines offers an adventure like no other. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking thrilling activities like surfing and diving or a nature lover looking to hike through stunning landscapes, there's something for everyone. So, pack your bags and get ready to uncover the wonders of the Philippines, where every island holds a new adventure waiting to be experienced. Natural wonders. The Philippines is a paradise for nature lovers, showcasing some of the most stunning natural landscapes on the planet. Among its iconic locations, the chocolate hills of Bohol stand out as a true marvel. These unique geological formations consist of over 1,200 perfectly cone-shaped hills that turn brown during the dry season, resembling giant chocolate mounds. This surreal landscape is not only a feast for the eyes but also a testament to the natural forces that shaped this beautiful island. Another breathtaking sight is the Banawe rice terraces, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Carved into the mountains over 2,000 years ago by the Ifugao people, these terraces are a remarkable feat of engineering and agriculture. They showcase the harmonious relationship between humans and nature, as they have been cultivated sustainably for generations. The terraces are not just visually stunning, they also support a rich biodiversity, providing habitats for various plant and animal species unique to the region. The Philippines is home to an incredible array of ecosystems, from lush rainforests to vibrant coral reefs. The country boasts one of the highest levels of biodiversity in the world, making it a hotspot for conservation efforts. The Tubataha Reefs Natural Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a prime example of this rich marine life, where divers can encounter everything from colorful corals to majestic sea turtles. As we explore these natural wonders, it's essential to appreciate their beauty and understand the importance of conservation. The delicate ecosystems that thrive in these areas are under threat from climate change and human activity. By promoting sustainable tourism and supporting local conservation initiatives, we can help protect these breathtaking landscapes for future generations. So, let's embark on this journey to celebrate the natural wonders of the Philippines and inspire a deeper appreciation for our planet's beauty. Beaches and islands. The Philippines is renowned for its stunning beaches and idyllic islands, making it a top destination for travelers seeking sun, sand, and sea. Among the most famous is Boracay, a small island known for its powdery white sand beaches and vibrant nightlife. White Beach, in particular, stretches for over 4 kilometers and is often hailed as one of the best beaches in the world. The crystal-clear waters here are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and a variety of water sports, making it a paradise for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. Another gem in the Philippines is Palawan, often referred to as the last frontier. This breathtaking island province is home to some of the most stunning natural landscapes, including the UNESCO World Heritage-listed Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. The park features a mesmerizing underground river that winds through limestone caves, showcasing nature's artistry at its finest. Palawan's beaches, such as El Nido and Coron, are equally captivating, with their dramatic limestone cliffs and hidden lagoons. The vibrant marine life in these waters is a diver's dream, offering encounters with colorful coral reefs, tropical fish, and even majestic sea turtles. As you consider your next vacation, the Philippines should be at the top of your list. Whether you're looking to relax on the sun-kissed shores of Boracay or explore the breathtaking landscapes of Palawan, there's something for everyone. Imagine sipping a refreshing coconut while lounging on the beach, or embarking on an island-hopping adventure to discover secluded coves and pristine snorkeling spots. The Philippines' beaches and islands offer not just stunning views but also a chance to connect with nature and experience the warmth of Filipino hospitality. So pack your bags and get ready to create unforgettable memories in this tropical paradise, where every sunset is a reminder of the beauty that awaits you. Cultural heritage. The Philippines is a vibrant tapestry of cultural heritage, woven together by centuries of history and diverse influences. One of the best places to experience this rich heritage is Intramuros, the historic walled city of Manila. Established during the Spanish colonial period, Intramuros is home to stunning architecture, cobblestone streets, and significant landmarks such as Fort Santiago and San Agustin Church. Walking through its gates feels like stepping back in time, allowing visitors to appreciate the historical significance and the stories that shaped the nation. Another remarkable site is Vigan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its well-preserved Spanish colonial architecture. The streets of Vigan are lined with ancestral houses that showcase a blend of indigenous and colonial styles, reflecting the cultural fusion that defines Filipino identity. Here, you can stroll along Calle Crisologo, where you'll find traditional crafts, local delicacies, and the famous vegan longanisa, a must-try for food enthusiasts. The cultural heritage of the Philippines is a beautiful amalgamation of influences from various cultures, including Malay, Spanish, American, and Chinese. This diversity is evident in the country's languages, cuisine, and customs. Each region boasts its own unique traditions, from the colorful festivals of Sinulog in Cebu to the vibrant Ati Atihan in Aklan, where locals celebrate with lively music, dance, and elaborate costumes. These festivals not only showcase the rich cultural tapestry but also foster a sense of community and pride among Filipinos. As you delve into the cultural heritage of the Philippines, take the time to explore local traditions and engage with the people. Participate in workshops, attend festivals, and savor traditional dishes to truly appreciate the depth of Filipino culture. By immersing yourself in these experiences, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the nation's history and the vibrant spirit that continues to thrive today. So, come and discover the cultural treasures that await you in this beautiful archipelago. Adventure activities. The Philippines is a playground for adventure seekers, offering a plethora of thrilling activities that cater to every level of adrenaline junkie. One of the most sought-after experiences is diving in the Tubataha Reefs, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning underwater biodiversity. With crystal-clear waters and vibrant coral gardens, divers can encounter an array of marine life, including colorful fish, majestic sea turtles, and even the occasional reef shark. The thrill of exploring this underwater paradise is unmatched, making it a bucket list destination for divers from around the globe. For those who prefer to stay above water, hiking Mount Apo, the highest peak in the Philippines, is an adventure not to be missed. Standing at 2,954 meters, this majestic volcano offers breathtaking views and a challenging trek that rewards hikers with a sense of accomplishment. The diverse ecosystems along the trail, from lush rainforests to rocky terrains, provide a unique opportunity to connect with nature while pushing your physical limits. Reaching the summit is not just about the climb, it's about the journey and the stunning vistas that unfold along the way. The Philippines is brimming with adrenaline-pumping experiences that attract adventure enthusiasts. Whether it's surfing the powerful waves of Siargao, canyoneering in the stunning landscapes of Kawasan Falls, or zip-lining over lush valleys, there's no shortage of excitement. Each activity invites you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the thrill of the unknown. So, if you're looking for an unforgettable adventure, the Philippines is calling your name. Challenge yourself to try something new, whether it's diving into the depths of the ocean or conquering a mountain peak. These experiences not only provide a rush of adrenaline but also create lasting memories and stories to share. Get ready to embark on an adventure of a lifetime in this beautiful archipelago. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of the Philippines, it's clear that this beautiful archipelago is a treasure trove of breathtaking landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and thrilling adventures. From the stunning beaches of Boracay and the pristine waters of Palawan to the historical significance of Intramuros and the vibrant traditions found in local festivals, the Philippines offers a diverse array of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. We've explored iconic natural wonders like the Chocolate Hills and the Banawe rice terraces, showcasing the incredible biodiversity and ecosystems that thrive in these areas. The adventure activities available, such as diving in the Tubataha reefs and hiking Mount Apo, invite you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the thrill of exploration. Each destination and experience contributes to the unique tapestry that defines Filipino identity and culture. Now, we encourage you to consider these amazing places for your next vacation. Whether you're seeking relaxation on a sun-soaked beach, an adrenaline-pumping adventure, or a deep dive into the rich history and traditions of the Philippines, there's something here for everyone. The beauty and diversity of this country are waiting to be discovered, and your next adventure could be just around the corner. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel stories and tips from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of the Philippines, and we hope to inspire you to explore these incredible destinations soon. Safe travels.